I can drop you off on the
Hey
corner
guys.
and bring your bike.
Okay.
It's Alex.
Sound like you rode your bike.
Eat some marshmallows.
See ya?
No. We're gonna be opening Pokemon pack.
What is that beeping noise?
It says, give your collection a boost. Let's just get right into this.
Because she probably blocked me and didn't unblock.
Why would she block you?
I don't know. But she doesn't get my texts. I texted her, make sure it's okay with her parents, and she never responded. And then I tried to say, do it again, and she didn't respond. Did you say she's not getting my text?
Okay, so.
Are you recording?
So I got a Phantom Forces pack. And then
Just recording in the middle of everything happening.
yes. And then, oh, come on. No! Okay. So we're gonna go. So it goes from the pack Tritini.
Why did we save one slice of pizza?
Yeah.
Because I woke up in the middle of the night, maybe.
And then we have a Dragonair.
Because I'm the longest.
Then Dragonite.
Wow.
Just because you don't have a YouTube channel.
I do.
He's not cool enough for a YouTube channel.
I have 3.
He's got to make 3 just to get Fred.
There's my sister.
I have 70 on one.
Ooh.
He has 2.
I have 5 actually.
Wow, you're so cool.
XY Phantom
Shut up.
Forces. So.
God, why do you have to be so rude?
I need to play with Albert.
I'm going to take note if you do that.
There we go.
Middle finger up.
Okay, so got a lemonade meal. A something Trump's card. Trump card. Have Xerosix, X-Cloud, Litleo, Finian, Fletchling, Mana, Bronzor, and then a reverse hollow Seawaddle.
Wow.
Oh, I almost forgot one thing. You can't forget the Pikachu coin.
How neat is that?
That's pretty neat.
This is worth more than your life.
Okay, 5-year-old.
Okay, so in this whole pack we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards. And a Pikachu coin. So yeah.
Just eat marshmallow real quick. Don't post this.
See you guys in the next one.